Meet Miss Sassy. Now she's bold and she's brilliant and she's the kind of teacher who could teach you quantum mechanics while she's sipping a third cup of Americano. But here comes the twist. When you ask her to build some PPTs or quizzes, that's when she says, I didn't sign up for a design degree. I signed up to teach brilliance. Well, that's when we introduced her to our AI powered genie, CourseCrafter. So let's see what this did to Miss Sassy. So first, this is the architecture of our agent. When the user, that is Miss Sassy, inputs a topic, the root agent, which is a sequential one, runs through four agents. The first is the describe curriculum agent, which describes the curriculum that she has to teach and it stores it in a state. And then we have the quiz generator agent, which generates the quiz according to each module that is in generated by this described curriculum agent and returns the word file of quizzes. And then we have the generate PPT agent, which gives us a PPT template which with all the topics so that Miss Sassy doesn't have to start from scratch. She can just edit or put her own words and make it up. So let's see. Okay, so this is the architecture that the model agent runs on. So the first we have the curriculum agent, which is the root one, and then the quiz, and then the PPT. So let's walk through our project. So let's say Miss Sassy is going to teach ML. So when she gives ML, it gives us the course title, which is Machine Learning Fundamentals and the modules. So each module will have learning objectives and topics. And then we'll call the tool Generate Quiz. And then we'll have the slides by calling the tool Create Dynamic Presentation. And let's see what it has stored for us. So we have the PPT and Word generated. So yeah, we have the PPT here with the learning objectives and the topics covered. And then the quiz in the Word format. She can edit it or add some more questions or reduce some. So that's the CourseCrafter. Now let's try some other topic like let's say global warming. So all we have to do is just put in the course, the mini course that we want, and the agent creates the module for us. So we don't have to sit for hours deciding on what to teach, on what learning objectives to bring on. And then we have the quiz generated. Hmm. So the according to each module, we'll have the quiz generated so the teachers can give the students to work on. And then we'll have the PPT. Yes, it has created the PPT and global warming. Yeah, it's here. So we have a predefined PPT all under a minute or two. So that's the impact. That's the kind of impact our project brings to Miss Sassy or Mr. Snappy. So thank you for listening and good day.